welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter 1 number system. Now we are going to discuss about the exercise 1.5. Okay, see the first question. Take a book page number 20 and see the first question. One night in Kashmir, the temperature is -5 degrees Celsius. Next day, the temperature is 9 degrees Celsius. What is the increase in temperatures? See, one night in Kashmir, the temperature is -5 degrees Celsius. Next day, the temperature is 9 degrees Celsius, plus 9 degrees Celsius. What is the increase in temperatures? We have to find the increase in temperatures in between -5 to 9. Okay, so I can write here. Let us take the number line. So -5 to 9. Just you want to take the number line. Here 0, here -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so in between -5 to +9, we have to take how many increase in temperatures? Okay, see, because see, one night in Kashmir, the temperature one night -5 degrees Celsius, but next day the temperature will have +9 degrees Celsius. Means in between gap, how many increase in temperatures? So we have to find. Okay, so calculate here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So totally 14. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So totally increase in temperature, that is 14 degrees Celsius. So increasing. So increasing temperature. So how many degree increase? 14 degrees Celsius. So 14 degrees Celsius. Okay, shall we move the second one? Okay, see in your book, because the question is very big. So just you see the in your book, maths book. Okay, book page number 20. See the second question. An atom can contain protons which have a positive charge. See the first line. An atom can contain protons. Protons can contain positive charge. Positive charge means plus. So I write here proton is a positive charge. Okay, which means plus. And next, and electrons which have a negative charge. See, and electron is a negative charge. Okay, electrons is a negative charge. When an electron and a proton pair, electron and proton means they become neutral because 0. So electron and proton, listen, electron and proton, it contains a neutral. So neutral means 0. Okay, and next, and cancel the charge out. Determine the net charge. See the 5 question is there. First one, see, 5 electrons and 3 protons equal to, see, 5 electrons and 3 protons. Electrons means negative charge, which means -5, right? And protons means positive, so +3. So we have to subtract, means -2 electrons is the which one? -2 is the electron. Okay, so same like that before sums. Okay, see the second one, 6 proton, which means proton is positive, so +6, and 6 electrons. Electrons means negative, so -6 equal to, so we have to subtract. So both are different sign. So different sign means we have to subtract the number. So 6 minus 6, 0. So 0 is the answer. Okay. Next, see the third one. 9 protons and 12 electrons, which means proton means positive plus 9. Then electron I can consider negative. So already they will given in your book. Okay. So minus 12. So both are same different sign. So different sign means we need to subtract the number. So 12 minus 9, 3. So which one is the biggest one? 12. So the 12 in front of the sign minus. So minus, which means minus 3 electrons. Okay. And next, fourth one. See the fourth one. 4 protons and 8 electrons. Okay. 4 protons. Protons means positive. So plus 4 electrons means negative. So the given how many electrons? 8. So you mention here 8 equal to 4 minus 8. What's the answer? 4. Because both are opposite sign, which means different sign means we need to subtract the number. So 8 minus 4, 4. Which one is the biggest number? 8. The sign of 8 is minus. So you want to mention here minus. That is minus 4 electron. Okay. Next, 7 protons and 6 electrons. Same like that. 7 proton minus 6 electrons equal to. So we have to subtract. That is 1. Here we want to write mention 1 proton. And above sums also we have to mention. Here minus 2 electron. Here 0 is a neutral. So no need to write here. Here minus 3. Because this is a neutral charge. No, isn't it? So this one is a neutral. And this one minus means electrons. So minus 3 electron. So you want to mention here electron. Here also mention electron. Can you understand this? These sums. Okay. Shall we move the next one? Okay. Next, see the third round letter. See in your book page number 28. So all of you take the book page number 28. See the third question. Scientists use the Kelvin scale K as an alternative temperature scale to degrees Celsius by the relations. One relation is given, which means Celsius convert to Kelvin. So they will given one relation. What the relations means? Degree, which means T degree Celsius means that Celsius convert to Kelvin means this is the formula. So T plus 273 Kelvin. So same like that remaining sums. Okay. So nearly 4 sums is given. So we have to work out one by one. Okay. Now listen here. Minus 275 degrees Celsius. We have to change to Kelvin. That is T, which means T is a minus 275 degrees Celsius. So minus 275 degree plus 273. So we have to change the Kelvin. We have to mention here K. So see, both are different sign. So different sign means we need to subtract the number. So 275 minus 273. So directly you want to write the answer, which means 2. But which one is the biggest number? 275. The sign of 275 is minus. So you want to mention here minus 2 Kelvin. Clear? Okay. Next, go to the second one. See, same like that. So 45 degree Celsius convert to Kelvin. So that's why they ask it, convert the following to Kelvin. So they are given the Celsius, we have to convert the Kelvin. Okay. So 45 plus 273 Kelvin K. Okay. See, both are same sign. Same sign means we need to add. So 273 plus 45. So we have to add 3 plus 5. The answer is 8. 7 plus 4. The answer is 11. So 1 here and 1 carry goes to the next number. 2 plus 1, 3. So what's the answer? 380 Kelvin K. Okay. And third sum also same like that. So minus 400 plus 273 in the Kelvin. So commonly I have to mention Kelvin K. See, both are subtract. So minus 400 plus 273. So we want to subtract the number. So 0 is the lowest number. So we have to borrow the next one. So we can't subtract. So here 10, here 9. Okay, and here goes to 3. Right? So 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 7, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. So finally 127. And most importantly, symbol. So which one is the biggest number? 400. The sign of 400 is minus. So you want to mention here minus in our answer. So we have to mention here Kelvin K. Clear? Next. So goes to the fourth sum. Same like that. Minus 273 plus 273 into K. See, both are same sign. Both are different sign but same number. So different sign means we need to subtract the number. So we have to subtract means 273 minus 273. The answer is 0. So 0 Kelvin. Can you understand these 4 problems? Shall we go to the next one? Fourth thermometer. Okay, next see the fourth problem. In your book, see the question. Find the amount that is left in the student's bank account. Okay, if he has made the following transaction in a month, his initial balance is rupees 690. See, listen. Find the amount. We have to find the amount that is left in the student's bank account. In a student's bank account, the amount is left. So, there are 4 questions, 5 questions is given. So, we have to find one by one. Okay, if he has made the following transaction in a month. Okay, in a month, they will transactions. Okay, so finally, they will give his initial balance. So, starting balance, how much amount? Rupees 690. So, first see the first question. Deposit. Deposit means add. Okay, so in initial balance, it deposit how much rupees? 485, which means we have to add. Okay, that is deposit. In initial balance, they will deposit, which means plus 485. Okay, I need to find the amount. Okay, so both are same number. Sorry, both are same sign. Same sign means we need to add the number. So 690 and 485 we have to add. 0 plus 5, 5. 9 plus 8, what's the number? 17. 7. And 1 carry goes to the next number. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. So the answer is 1175. So amount. So first, okay, initial balance 690 rupees. That 690 it will deposit how much amount? 495 rupees. Rupees 485. It will deposit means so the amount is 1175. Okay, and next second question see. Withdrawal. Withdrawal means subtract. How much amount withdrawal? 500. From 1175 it will withdraw. Okay, from 1175. So this amount we have to withdraw how much amount? 500. So 1175 minus 500. Okay, that amount we have to withdraw 500. 500 amount withdrawn from this amount 1175. Clear? So subtract. So 1175 subtract 500. So 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 0, 7. 1 minus 5, it can't subtract. So you can borrow the next one. So here 11, here 0. 11 minus 5, 6. So final amount 675. So rupees 675. Okay, next third question. With again he will withdraw how much amount? 350 from 675. Okay, this much amount withdrawn. Okay, sorry. In this amount he withdrawn how much amount? 350 rupees 350. Okay, which means from this amount subtract to this So again you want to subtract. So 675, 350. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 5, 2. 6 minus 3, 3. So the answer is 325. So the amount is 325. Clear? And next, deposit. From 300 rupees, 325, it will deposit how much amount? 89. Deposit means you have to add. So 325 plus 89. So we have to add the number. So 325 plus 89. So 9 plus 5, 14. 4, 1 remain goes to the next number. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8, 11. So here 1 and 1 goes to the next number. So 1 plus 3, 4. So the amount rupees 440. Okay, clear? And last one. If another 300 rupees was withdrawn, which amount? From 440, he will withdraw again. Last 300 rupees withdrawn means finally how much amount will have? That one we have to find. Okay, which means 414 minus withdrawn how much amount? 300. So 300 means we have to subtract this. So the final amount means 114. So this is the answer. Can you understand this? Okay, shall we go to the next sum? Okay, next see the fifth sum. Take book page number 28. See the fifth question. A poet Tamil Nambi lost 35 pages of his lyrics when his file had got wet in the rhyme. Use integers to determine the following. One poet lost how many pages? 35 pages lost in the lyrics due to wet in the rhyme. Okay, they will ask 5 questions. So see the first question. If Tamil Nambi wrote 5 pages per day, 5 pages per day, how many days did he lose? So he lost how many days? One day he will wrote 5 pages means how many days will lost? We have to find. Okay, so he loses equal to totally how many pages? Total 35 pages. So 35 divide per day. How many pages he will wrote? 5. So we have to divide. So 35 divided by 5. So what's the answer? Here 1 time, here 5 times. So 5 table 1 time and 35 how many times? 7 times. I put wrongly 5. So 7 times. Okay. So 7 5 is 35. So he lost how many days? 7 days he will lose. Okay. And go to the second one. If 4 pages contain 1800 characters. So how many pages contain 1800 characters? 4 pages. Okay. So total pages they will give 35. Okay. So 4 pages. So first of all you want to write here 4 page. How many characters? 1800 characters. 1800 characters. Okay. How many characters were lost? Characters means letters. Okay. So characters means letters. 4 pages 1800 characters means 1 page. So how many characters? We have to find. Okay. Which means we have to divide. Right here 1 page. Which means total characters how much? 1800 divide 4. Which means we have to divide. Okay. So we have to cancel here 1 time. Here 4 4s are 16. Remaining 2. So 20. So 5 4s are 20. So 10 we have to add. So totally 450 characters. So we have to multiply. So 35 into 450. We have to multiply. Okay. So I multiply here 35 into 45. 1 0 we can finally we have to add. So this one we will not consider. Go to the next digit. 5 5 are 25. Remaining 2. And carry goes to the next number. And 3 5 are 15. 15 plus 2 17. Okay. And next go to the next digit. 4 5 are 20. You mentioned here tens place. So 0. Remaining 2. Next 4 3 are 12. 12 plus 2 40. Okay. We have to add 5. 7 plus 0 7. 1 plus 4 5. And 1 as it is. So finally we want to add 1 0. Okay. So finally how much characters? 15,750. 35 pages to how many characters? 15,750 characters. Okay. Can you understand this? Okay. Okay. Next see the in fifth round fifth question, third subdivisions. Okay. If Tamil Nadu is paid rupees 250 for each page produced, how much money did he lose? So what they asking means in Tamil Nadu paid rupees, how much amount? 250 amount for each page. Then means how much money did he lose? We need to find the loss amount. Okay. So first money paid for one page. One page he will pay how much amount? Rupees 250, right? And money paid for total pages, which means 35 pages. Okay, money paid for one page. So money paid for one page. So money paid for how many pages? 35 pages. So 35 pages means we need to multiply, which means 35 multiple 250, rupees 250. So we have to multiply. So 35 into 250. First time 0 will not consider. We go to the next digit. 5 5 are 25, remaining 2, and 5 3 are 3 5 are 15. 15 plus 2 17. And next 5 2 are 10, remaining 1, and 3 2 are 6. 6 plus 1 7. And we need to add 5. 7 plus 0 7. 1 plus 7 8. Finally we want to add 1 0. Okay. So totally losses how much amount? That is 8,750. Okay. So finally he lost the amount 8,750. Clear? Okay. Next see the fourth one. If Kavimon helps Tamil Nambi and they are able to produce 7 pages per day, how many days will it take to recreate the work lost? So listen here. Book. Out of it, take book page number 29. Fourth question. Kavimon helps Tamil Nambi. So Kavimon helps to Tamil Nambi. They are able to produce 7 pages per day. Per day, how many pages produced? 7 pages. Means how many days will it take to recreate the work lost? We need to find number of days. Okay. So first one, number of number of pages per day. Number of pages per day produced. How much pages? 7. Number of pages per day produced 7 pages. So total page. So total page equal to 35. Means we need to find the number of days. So number of days means we need to divide. So total 35 divided by 7. 7 pages. Which means we have to cancel. Here 1 time 1 lost. Okay. Next move to the fifth one. Tamil Nambi pays Kaviman rupees 100 per page for his help. How much money does Kaviman receive? See, in Tamil Nambi pays Kaviman rupees 100 per page. Okay, means Kaviman how much amount will receive to Tamil Nambi from Tamil Nambi. Okay, see cost of one page. So cost of one page equal to rupees 100. Okay, cost of one page rupees 100 means cost of total page, which means cost of how many pages? 35 pages. So cost of 35 pages equal to 35 into 100, which means how much amount? So 35 into 135 and remaining 2 zeros we want to add here. So totally how much amount will receive? Kaviman how much amount will receive? Rupees 3,500. Have you cleared these sums in fifth row letter sums? Okay, next see the sixth sum. Add 2 to me, then multiply by 5 and subtract 10 and divide now by 4 and I will give you 15. Who am I? So who am I means let the number be A. So we can consider, we can take let the number be A. So see the first line. Add 2 to me. Me means A. Okay, add 2 to means A plus 2. Right? And multiply by 5, which means use the bracket. Multiply. So multiply 5. Right? And subtract 10, which means subtract minus 10. Clear? And divide now by 4. Divide by 4. Okay? And I will give you 15. I will give you 50 means equal to 15. So this is the conditions. Okay? Now we have to simplify. So 5 we have to multiply inside. Right? So 5 into A, 5A plus 2 5s are 10 minus 10 divide 4 equal to 15. Clear? Now we have to cancel. See, both are opposite sign. Opposite sign means we need to subtract the number. So 10 minus 10, 0. So we have to cancel. Okay? So cancel means remaining 5A divide 4 equal to 15. And next denominator goes to divisions goes to that side means multiplications. So 5A equal to 15 multiple 4. We have to multiply the number. So 5A equal to 5 4s are 20, 0, remaining 2, 1 4s are 4, 4 plus 2, 6. And see, in multiplication goes to the side means divisions, which means A equal to 60 divided by 5. Now we have to cancel the number. Clean fifth table. Here 1 times, here how many times? 1 5s are 5, remaining 1. So we can take 10, which means 2 5s are 10. So the number means 12. So therefore the number equivalent to 12. So this is the final answer. Can you understand this? Okay, next see, today our teaching part is over. Next homework part. See, all of you take your material page number 93 to 95. Okay, so question is there. So totally how many questions? 4 questions is there. Just I will explain one by one. One night is Kashmir. One night in Kashmir. The temperature is minus 6 degrees Celsius. Next day, the temperature is 5 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius. What is the increase in temperature? So same method in teaching problems. Same method. So we have to work out the problem. Okay. Next, see the second question. Find the amount that is student's bank account if he has made the following transaction in a month. His initial balance is rupees 950. So same model in class of sums, same model you have to work out the homework sums. So nearly 4 questions they will given. So you have to work out and find the answer. And next, third one, add 5 to me, then multiply by 4 and subtract 20 and divide now by 2, and I will give you rupees 30 and I will give you 30. Who am I? So same method in before sums I will teach no. So that's some same method. Okay. And next, fourth one, 7 is added to a certain number. That number we don't know, so we can consider x. So 7 is added to a certain number. The sum is multiplied by 5. Multiply 5 means multiple 5. The product is divided by 9. And 3 is subtracted from the quotient. So quotient we have to subtract minus 3. Okay. Then remainder left is 12. Means the number is. So we have to read the questions carefully and find the conditions, and finally we want to get the answer. Okay. After completing the homework, take photo and send your class teacher.